girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
This unit came bomb like this right out of the package, but I had to style it not one but two different ways, you guys. So we have two different looks that we're going to be doing today, and this unit was sent to me from Nadula Hair. They sent over 2 melting bands. We also got 3 HD wig caps, some pink press-on nails, and here is the unit, you guys. So this is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. I do currently have mine in a 24-inch. It comes with this roller in the bang area, and it also has wig tape already applied to the unit with an adjustable elastic band and the adjustable straps in the back. And as you guys can see, it came pre-curled. So all you have to do is just adjust the strap and apply this unit, you guys. This is a very quick and easy install, and I had to share this one with you because it was so cute, especially the second look that I was able to do with this. But enough talking, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this install.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to save as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. Little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a nigga, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate. why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, so shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a home
My fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep sick on me, don't know me, don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you. Notice.
So how do I look? Hello. Okay, you guys, this unit is so bomb to me. I absolutely love how this looks. It gives me like a 70s kind of vibe. So I wear this like 70s style kind of dress with the paisley print and everything like that. It just gives me such a great vibe, and I love this unit. This unit came with these pre-cut bangs, and then it had like this roller that was like right in the front. So if you want to, you can just like add the roller there when you're done, and then it'll stick even without a clip. So it'll keep your bang nice and fresh for you. And this can be worn in like a curtain bang style, so you can wear it like with it like off to the side or down the middle or whatever. But I thought the bangs were so perfect that I wanted to wear them like as actual bangs like this. But if you want to, you can obviously, you know, put them down the side. But I did cut mine. You guys did see that on camera. I cut them just to like frame me a little bit better, and then I pulled the unit back. Pulling the unit back allows you to like not cut so much hair, so that would be a suggestion that I would give to you guys. But look at the beautiful curls that came in this unit, and they layered it so perfectly. Like, I love the layers in this unit. I love the curls. I didn't have to like fix the curls much. I just fixed like one curl like right here on this side, but the rest of this already came pre-curled, as you guys saw. And I just love like how flowy and effortless it is, and I just feel very grown with this hair. Okay, I feel very grown. I feel so beautiful, okay, with this. And I don't do bangs very often, so I was really excited when I seen this unit, because I'm like, yeah, I get to do bangs, and they're already done for you. This has very minimal to no styling involved with it. The only thing you would have to do, like I said, is just touch up the bangs. But this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, you guys. You get a nice deep parting space, including the front half here, okay? So you get all of this space all the way to the back there. And then like I said, this is a 13x4. So it's a nice pre-cut lace for you, and you also have the option of taping the unit down. The quality of this hair is beautiful, and I really like the color to it as well. It's a nice jet black color, and I like the fact that the bangs are thin. They're not like these extra thick chunky bangs, because sometimes I don't like to do bangs for that reason, because I just feel like it's just too full. But this is like a nice and like airy kind of bang, and I love that about it. You can like play around with it. And you guys, this is the second look that I did with this unit. I wanted to show you guys multiple ways that you can wear this unit. As it is a 13x4, you can definitely wear it in an updo, you can wear it in a half up, half down, but today I decided to put mine in these cute 2 ponytails. I just felt like this was better, and plus you get to keep like that part that's already made in the unit, as you guys can see, and still have like this bang action. It looks so cute and girly. And if you wanted to, you can put like 2 bows right here. I just have like mine in these like cute ponytails with some rubber bands. I just literally use like some large rubber bands to like put this together, and it just looks so cute. And since it's already curled, as you guys can see, it was very quick to just like add this style as well. So if you don't want to wear it down and you don't want to have everything like that, and as you guys can see, it's also pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked really well, and the knots are bleached on this unit, so you don't have to even worry about bleaching the knots on here, plucking anything. If you do want to put it in the updo, it's ready to go. If you want to do half up, half down, if you want to do 2 ponytails like I did, you can do that as well. But I did want to show you guys the versatility of this unit, just letting you know that you don't have to wear it in just one style. Even if you didn't want to wear like the bangs like this, instead of cutting them, you can wear like the bangs that like flip off to the side. But I did cut mine, so that's why mine isn't able to do that. But even if you wanted to, you probably can do like put everything off to the side too, and have this kind of vibe. That's really cute, you know? Have that whole like little swoop bang, little ooh-wop. You can like add more hair on the side though. Perfect, so cute. I love, love, love how this came out. This is so freaking cute to me, like you guys don't even understand. And I love that the ponytails are like still full, they're not thin, and they're still long as well, as you guys can see. I love the layers that they added to this, because even with the ponytails, like the ponytails aren't short, they're long, just like the rest of the hair. Like look, this hair goes here, this hair meets the rest of the hair, so you don't have like those really short ponytails, and everything is layered and just like, it's just perfect. I really like how this turned out. And to get our bangs like in place, I just use this curling iron, and just to like bump it a little bit and add a little bump to it that way, because if you use a flat iron, it's gonna make them flatter, which is gonna make them longer and in your face, and this kind of lifts them up and allows them to be like out of your face, if you don't want them all in your eye or whatever. But yeah, I really, really love this unit, you guys. It's so pretty, and just like, I'm really feeling this. Nadula definitely did their biggest one with this one, and the curls are definitely gonna last you. And I've been playing around with my hair and everything, and the curls have not lost their integrity whatsoever. And then obviously if you wanted to, you can use a curling iron like this as well if you want to freshen up your curls. But mind you guys, this is straight out of the packaging. The fact that this unit is this beautiful right out of the box is like really blowing my mind. And I love the fact that this is something that's ready to go and ready to wear, because it allows you to spend less time styling your hair, installing it. Like I said, this is a glueless unit. This unit does have the tape on the sides. With the tape, I just use a little bit of the Got To Be Glued, just to add like an extra adhesive to the adhesive. Or you can use some lace melt spray, you can use that. You can use some spritz, you can use hairspray, whichever you like, just on the very edges, just to like have the adhesive stick better. Because if you do just try to stick it on and you just have makeup on, sometimes your makeup doesn't allow it to stick as well as it would like on your regular skin. So just use something like this. I love the fit to this unit. It does not fit loose on me whatsoever. They have a nice long wide comb in the back. They also have adjustable straps in the very back as well. And then you get the adjustable elastic band at the top here, which adds like that extra security. So it just really fits nice and snug. And I love that for me, because some units tend to fit, but when it comes to the very back of the unit, I noticed that when you tighten that elastic band, sometimes it makes the unit like looser in the back. I don't know how to explain that when they don't have the strap in the back. So I like the fact that this one has both straps, so you're able to get full security all the way around. So I do currently have this unit in a 24-inch, and I will stand up just, you know, really quick. Well, I did show you guys a moment ago where it hits on me. This is like a looser body wave, you know. This is not like a very tight wave. As you guys can see, it's curled, so it just goes like right here to my bust. But if you wanted to, you can obviously, you know, pull that, and then you can see my belly button is here, and it goes down to there. And this is what it's giving from the side or the back. Okay. And then, like I said, this is a glueless unit, so I'm just gonna move my bangs a little bit. Let me move it here. All of this is glueless. You can go right up underneath that lace with a comb, and nothing is glued down there. Definitely see myself wearing this again in another video, maybe even a vlog. I might wear this in a vlog coming up, so you guys can see like how the hair lasts throughout the day, and just see like how it looks, and if how the curls last on this hair as well. So yeah, shout out to Nadula for sending over this beautiful pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-everything unit. I absolutely love this lace front unit. I think it's so pretty and feminine. Any of you guys are interested in checking it out for yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.